2 goals, 2 really good marks. And I'll tell you what, he's got the X factor.
Going up, Benj. We'll see you at the bottom.
Assists that's in his game, but this is terrific by him.
And again gets over the top of Marriage, Siebel. So North not going away in a hurry, are they? Siebel.
Where's Benji, Sophie? Is he up in there yet? Where is he?
Big Goldie might be a bit nervous sitting up in that box.
Go on the little slide.
Okay, well you come back down first, and then I'll take a video of you, and then
to Edwards. But
Sophie
has made a mark, hasn't he? So Flostone got it back from Edwards. Good kick to Hurley. This could be dangerous. Hurley on the burst.
Looks inside the forward 50. Over the head of Revolt. Judgment shot by Tarrant.
Go on the little slide now.
Pops it out wide. That's the key. Sorry, Dennis. That's the key. The inside 50. 6 marks to North Melbourne inside 50. Richmond running taking 1. To the Black. Goes down the line. Brown. Strike with the hands there. Just going back to Tarrant.